You want to be in my video, buddy? I think I did an alright job, if I do say so myself. Wow! Oh, high five, player. High five. Look at the camera. No, 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 no. Not me.
Yes. It's me again. Yeah. And I'm back.
What is up, you guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, it's your girl Mara Moore. And if you want more, I'll give you more. So in this video, I have achieved this look for you. I'm just looking gorgeous. I'm looking like an international movie star. I am speaking volumes with this look. Okay, just a simple cut crease really, and a nice nude lip. If you want to see how I achieve this look, then keep on watching. Back at it again. And look at my shirt. Can you guys see my shirt? Creativity begins with coffee, and then at the back there's actual like white coffee. I literally love this top, so I'm wearing it for the sake of this video. First things first is primer. I'm going to be using the MUA Pro Base Banana Blur primer. Rub that in. This legit smells like a favorite lotion of mine. It smells nice. My brows are dyed, so I'm not really gonna like fill them in as much, maybe a little bit in the front. So I'm just gonna go with a Technic brow gel, and this is in dark brown. What I like about this brow gel is that like I know my brows are gonna stay in place and they look a lot fuller. I'm just gonna go with some E.L.F Pro concealer. This is in Chestnut. We all have a favorite brow anyway. This one is my favorite brow. The one I'm doing now, that one's my favorite brow. To base the lids, we're gonna go with this E.L.F concealer in Tan Sand. I'm gonna take this Revolution palette here, and I'm looking to go in with maybe something like this, that shade here. Alright, so I think that's looking nice. So let's cut the crease and add a nice little touch on there, yeah? Now I'm thinking just to pack on a really nice pink shade. This one here. There we go. Pretty. Go with some like shimmer on top of that. So I'm just gonna go in with this. It's a bronzer toffee shimmer from Next. So that's looking cute. Let's go on with the other eye real quick. So I'll just do this one off camera just to save time for you guys. So you guys, I'm back, and I just changed it a little bit because I didn't really like when I put the bronzer on top of the eyeshadow. I just went in full pink, and then over the top of that I went in with another Revolution palette, and I went in with this. It's like a shimmery pink, that one. So I just like outlined it. So I think that's looking kind of cute. I feel like that looks really pretty. It looks kind of neon. It's giving me like neon vibes, but I like that. Let's go with some eyeliner next. liner is done, and now I'm just gonna go in with some mascara before I put some lashes on. I'm gonna go in with some mascara now, and this is the 3-in-1 E.L.F mascara. Lashes time. Lashes are on, so now for the fun part, we are going to do the face. First thing is first is foundation. Let's foundation this face because my face needs help. For my perfect shade, we're gonna be using these two right here. Concealer. There we go, Pro in Chestnut. And we are not gonna contour, we're just gonna focus on bronzing. It's best to let your concealer sit for a little bit instead of putting it on and then just immediately blending it out, because you're not really gonna have a really nice effective highlight otherwise, you know? Next, we're gonna go in with some setting powder and we're gonna bake, honey. We're gonna bake, okay? I'm tired of being oily. Y'all tired of being oily? I'm tired of being oily. I'm tired. Tired. Now I'm just gonna go with the Revolution Glow. This is honestly my favorite in medium dark. Pretty. I'm just gonna take my big kabuki brush here. Yes. And just wipe the excess powder off, and I'll be using the L'Oreal True Match blendable powder for that. Let's go in with some blush, you know, just to add some life, just to add some color to the skin, you know. So for blush, I'm going to be using the Huda Beauty nude palette here, and I'm going to be going in with Love Elite. Yes. What I like about this brush is that it's already at a nice angle, so it goes nice on the cheek here. But that's looking cute. So for the waterline, take this Intense color by MUA, and this is called Obsession. So it's like a, maybe I can do like a little swatch right here. It's like a, it's giving me like a burgundy, almost like a semi, yes, definitely like a burgundy vibe.
I got that bling bling. I'm getting nicey. I only got nice things.
That's cute. We're gonna just go with some mascara as well. You know what? I saw this on TikTok and she used the dang-on tweezers. We're gonna use some dang-on tweezers and we're gonna make this look pop, okay? She kind of just stuck those lashes together. Now for lips, I think I'm just gonna take this dark brown pencil here and outline my lips with that. And you guys already know, since you know, the eyes are doing a little something, we're gonna keep the lips simple. So next we're gonna go with a Dose of Color. Like it does dry matte, but that's fine because we're gonna put a nice gloss over the top, and this is in Desert Suede. I'm just gonna go with, you know, this clear gloss, super shine, and this is in Cherry. We're gonna be using this one. Nobody tell me nothing with this lip. Wow. Wow. Do we want to add a highlight? Yes, Gold Digger highlight here. Go on the nose. Oh my goodness, look at that. You know what's real when you gotta, and then your hair go. Oh, we can't finish this look without adding a nice beauty mark. Okay, I got one here. We're gonna be using the Collection Primed and Ready Makeup Fixing Spray. So you guys, this is the finished look. Why am I looking like, where am I going? Please let me know in the comments what you guys think about this look overall. I mean, I think I did an alright job, if I do say so myself. And if you made it to the end of this video, please leave me a pink emoji. Any kind of pink emoji I'll be fine with, and I'll get back to you. That is it for this video, you guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.